Hey guys, we're here in Jungle Bay in Dominica. Today we're just going to do our own thing and take a day off from the planned excursions.
We're going to go no tour guide, no car, leaving right from Jungle Bay. So we're going to go first to the Zom Zom Trail, and then we're going to go to the White River.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll bring you guys along so you can have fun with us. Alright, see you there.
Bye-bye. Alright guys, this is our cottage. We're going to head out. So we're going to go this way down the road, through Jungle Bay, all the way to the Zom Zom Trail.
Alright, here we are. The start of Zom Zom. We made it. Let's get started.
Here's what we've hiked so far. Quite a bit of uphill at the beginning.
Got some more ahead of us.
Alright, let's keep on going. Woo. Okay, we made it to the top of the hill. Took us about, how long?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Looks downhill from here.
Yeah.
See the ocean?
Nice lookout point. We'll have to show you when we get closer.
Ready? Ooh, look, a lizard. Oh, maybe I can film it. This is a lizard. Oh, there he
That's
goes.
a rock.
Hey, buddy. Okay, we're going down. Yikes. It's a little slippery. This is so cool. There's a guy. Come on down, then. Woo! Oh my god, that's so cool.
So we just made it to the end of the Zom Zom Trail. It's a beautiful lookout point.
Check it out. We're gonna hang out here for a little while, and then we're gonna head back to our cabin, take a rest, and then we're off again.
To the White River.
See you there.
We'll see you soon.
Hey everyone.
Hey, we're back. We just had a rest after doing the Zom Zom Trail, and now we're getting ready just outside Jungle Bay, and we're headed to the White River.
Here we go.
Here we go.
We just left the Jungle Bay Road. Now we're just walking down our little neighborhood here. Some houses. There's the sign for Jungle Bay. That's where we just came from. Here's this really nice pasture. There's some horses. I don't know if you can see them back there. And 10 minutes later, we're already here at the White River. Check it out. And the other side goes out into the ocean.
Just got to the White River. Found a path here. It takes us down to the ocean.
Alright, so here we are. We're at the mouth of the White River, which starts from the boiling lake, and it comes all the way down, and then it feeds right into the ocean.